We've had our breakfast. How about a second breakfast? This is Second Breakfast with your old buddy Lead Fox here, coming at you live from the Infinite Void here. I just found out my green curtains work really well as a green screen. So we're going to try a little green screen filter here. So you just see my face. Obviously, if I fuss with them a little bit, you can see they kind of change, but that's all right. Uh, Maybe add a little bit more production quality to the stream. We're just gonna have to see how that works. Anyway, let's fire up some Monster Train. Get some second breakfast going. Nobody cares about those technical details, like whether or not my curtains count as a green screen. I'm gonna have to not wear the olive-colored shirts that I like so much on stream, but that's all right. All right, daily challenge. What's the deal, Lead Fox? Why do you do daily challenges all the dang time? Let me tell you why. There's a Steam achievement for 50,000 points on a daily run. Um, it looks like it's going to be quite rough. Even the excellent and legendary Spoder Sam, I'm a huge fan, can only get to 45, 470 today on his daily run. Spoder Sam is very often at the tippy top of the rankings for Monster Train. Um, if he doesn't already stream, he ought to, because he's good at this game. Anyway, why is it so hard to get 50k today? Well, one, friendly units get endless. That's actually a bit of a boost, so not a problem. That's a good thing. Enemy units start with damage shield. That's bad. That's one bad. Uh, and want to cure light wounds. Restore 5 health to all units after combat. Sort of a neutral purple style. So, those are our mutators. We're doing Umbra, Awoken a day. Let's start the run. Alright, we have Perils of Production, Rage 3, Ember Drain 2 on a friendly unit. Resto Detto, which is 10 health restored and deals 5 times that amount to an enemy. And Crucible Extension, +1 capacity on the sword. Kind of, solid stuff. No complaints from me. Excuse me. We're looking at Master Penumbra. When you play your first morsel unit, each turn draw 1, or Refracting Lenses. When a consume card is played, restore 5 Pyre health. It's a bit anti-attrition there. I think I like to draw, and so I'll play Mask of Penumbra. And if I'm playing Morsels, I should probably... I was going to say go the Gorger Penumbra, but that's not an option today. I like Trample. Let's go! 50k! 50k! Alright, non-boss enemy units get 4 attack. Angry hordes are swarming your train. Thin their numbers before they reach your pyre. Okay. Yep, I'll do that. Let's take up on this. Oh, that was spooky. Right. Anyway. Okay. Someone's spamming that, chat thing. Let's check something. Not on Twitch, though. It's going haha. Well, I don't know. Doesn't matter. Sorry, let me check one more thing. Let's set up right. Okay. So, this is what I'm thinking. I want to get their damage shields off. Well, this is what we're doing, I suppose. Okay, I am starting to see why this is rough stuff. Big band, jacket stand. Rough, rough, rough. Alright. What are we gonna do? They are just destroying us. Alright, how did we deal with damage shields? Sweep units. Like, I feel like I'm not even getting all the way through my deck because of Endless. Well, this might be might be a quick second breakfast day. Feels bad to do it 2 days in a row, but I just don't know what to do about this. Ow. I'm not even getting my main guy back anymore. Let's do a super block here. Rethink our strategy. So what do we have to do? We have to block like 30 points of damage on that first floor. Connecting to game. Never seen it. Continue run. Yeah, if Spoder Sam could even get over 50k. Wow, okay. Is this some sort of bug? What's happening? I'm having the worst luck. What? It's my internet? I mean, there we go. Okay. I was gonna say, if I just can't do a daily run today because of a bug, I'm not necessarily gonna be in the absolute worst mood about it because this is just rough. At least it's gonna get a chance to eat a morsel? Like, I don't know what I'm supposed to do about this. Can I, like... Does that help? Huh? Does this help? Yeah, that shields up. I feel like I've played with it before and didn't have this much trouble. You know what would have been really cool that I should have done? I should have started it off with Architect. Then each time I put the penumbra down, I'd get 2 extra capacity on a floor. That would have been neat. I should have done that. At this point, I'm just putting my units down to watch them get chewed through directly. I never had so much trouble on the first floor. Like, ever. Got through one of them. Yeah! Ow! Oh my gosh. Well, there you go. That's the team round for you. Cheese and crackers. That is pathetic. Oh my gosh. Oh wow. A lot of people were stymied by that first floor. Look at that. Exact same score. Okay, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna... Alright, yes, I won't be able to submit my score to leaderboard again, but I owe you all high quality Lead Fox second breakfast content, and I'm gonna bring it. I'm gonna bring a little bit of extra content for you today. Well, a little bit, of normal content. We're gonna do Architect this time. We're going to exploit Never Say Die, and maybe I don't know. Maybe we'll get further. And no, we're not gonna turn on Aggressive Amulet. We're leaving that off. So here's the thought. Every time I play my Penumbra, I'm going to get another 2 capacity in this game. And so I'm going to do that over and over again. I probably shouldn't have put those guys out. In fact, you know what? I'm already not getting scored. I'm not getting judged. I'm just going to. This is a sort of a tinkering session, right? We're trying stuff here just to play around, just to see what it's like. So I'm gonna put these guys up here. That way I get extra timber or something. I don't know. So what are you asking me for? So that he dies, but the the capacity stays. And so now I can do something like put more units there, right? More capacity. Ooh-wee. Okay. Whew. Okay. Messed up again. Sorry to keep doing this, but it's gonna keep happening. So, deal. Here's the thought. I'm not moving him to the second floor. Forget about it. I'm gonna keep putting him on the first floor. I'm gonna put this guy up here. I'll put a train suit down, I guess. I just gotta keep remembering endless means I'm not actually getting those train suits out of my deck when I do that. Okay, so more capacity. Second train suit help at all? Not really. Okay, so what am I going to be able to do with all this capacity? Well, I guess I don't know. One thing that's definitely going to happen. What's definitely going to happen? I don't know. We're just gonna have to keep playing it, keep seeing what's up. I'm not gonna lose on the first round time because I turned off that +4 to attack. So instead of taking 5 points of damage each time one of them hit me, I'm only taking the one point. Okay. So, 0 damage on the boss. Maybe I will lose this first round. This is just so brutal. Gotta give it to Spoder Sam for managing even the score he did with this crazy set of circumstances. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, we're gonna get as far as we can. Just brutal. Alright, morsels. I said I want to sweep, so Glimmer's good. I want a big unit. A really big one. Shattered Shell's fine. And sweet. That sounds good. Large stone? There we go. Excellent. Let's get this guy up. And then I gotta get rid of these train stewards. SM. Armor 10. No. Just like I already have a buttload of armor. Oh, and he's never going to actually get any kills because they have damage shield. Ah, here we go. Oh my gosh. So bye, I guess. Yes, this daily challenge is not what I describe as a good time. I would actually say this is extremely painful for me. Yep. Ah! Hog. Alright, well, we got him! So, that's good enough. Just thinking, what on earth can we even do to try to turn this around? Again, it doesn't really matter too much, because I'm already, not getting scored for this. A little point of damage might be good for taking off a shield. Might clutter up my deck and keep my glimmers further away. I guess I gotta try to guarantee glimmer as often as humanly possible. Resto Detto with Wand of Cure Light ends up being really bad. What a mess. Alright, gotta guarantee glimmers as much as possible, so we're duplicating that. Oh, you know what I could have done? I was gonna say I could have duplicated my Shattered Shell, but here's another one anyway. So I'm starting to think, oh, here we go. Speaking of duplicating stuff. Alright, so do I want to go with a buttload of glimmers or a bunch of shattered shells? Let's do a buttload of glimmers. Well... so being able to play around with capacity means I can actually squeeze a bunch of shattered shells onto the same floor. Which might be what I want. Probably should have done glimmers. But we're doing this. We're tinkering around today. We're trying some stuff. This is just for fun at this point. Oh, so pop him down. Let's, I don't know. One of these. One of these. And so now what we're trying to do is cycle through my Penumbra as much as possible, which is going to be really hard because I just got pushed back. Okay, this is what we're doing. I guess I like that. What's good? What's good? One of these? Bap. Actually, I should have left it because I could have scaled. Oh well. Oh well. That's what we in the business call a giggity goo. I don't actually watch Family Guy. I've seen it. I know the joke, but I don't watch it. Ironically, we're back at capacity being a problem. Who would have thunk it? Who would have thunk for a second? Hatsu. Alright. Well, as much as I would have loved to take Talos down on the first floor, that's a no-go. And as much as I'd like to actually exploit the thing I was talking about, out of capacity. I'm gonna need something stronger than water today. Gotta go with the Rail Spike. I mean, Awoken's Rail Spike is just too dang good. I don't think so. Yep, capacity. Let's go for it. All day, every day. I really need removals, but I love... Let's get the removal. I just gotta get the spirits out of here. Run. Usually. Get a little hit point back. Enhance a unit. And ha ha ha. That's a funny game. Yeah, I don't want to spend all my money to get trample. Or +3 on the floor. I think trample's worth it. And yeah, now my guy takes up an extra slot, but he gives a slot every time. And like I said, I'm planning on cycling him through if these guys can pick up the pace and start killing him. Bonk. One of these. Glimmer. And one of these. Uh-oh. Bonk. Let's go ahead and get our 3-floor setup going. I'm going to leave 3 spots empty. Well, shoot. I just realized my number is 4 capacity now. I'm such a goober. Okay, so actually I don't want to heal him because I really am trying to get him down. I can heal this guy. What's this guy? How about a damage shield on him? Why not? What are you asking me for? Oh, don't want to heal him. It's fine. Let's get more attack power on him. Let's draw some dang cards for once. Excellent. Okay, so if I put a capacity here, I should be able to put a penumbra there once he bites it. Yep. Zah! Wow. Wow. Okay, yeah. This is the plan. Ironically, the chief problem with this is I have to find a way to kill my champion fast. Alright. Fuck. But yes, I'm pleased with my decision to get a buttload of these planty boys down. I think they're fun. Alright, what's good? What's good? How about one of these, huh? No? Not good enough? That's fine. Yes, the imperative to kill the boss on the first floor is considerably lessened now that points are basically a non-issue. Now we're just seeing how wacky this deck can get. Alright, got my penumbra back. Why are you making me regret taking trample again, game? I wanted to have fun, dang it. Bam. Okay. +3 health on my units. That's pretty solid. We've got... Cave-In presents an interesting option. I can overload floors. I can overload floors. Healing spells, draw +1. I mean, draw +1 might not be bad. But I'm not going to take it. Alright. Thin to win. Damage shield 3. Spikes 4? Sure. The main problem is honestly shields up. That damage shield is just really difficult to work around. I'm not going to throw the second Glimmer because I want this thing to get the Shattered Shell to kill it. I really want to put this guy down, but I don't want my number eating it. Maybe here? I don't know. Still a bad move. Sweeping shell. Sweeping shell. Sweeping shell. Get morsel on this one. Can't really justify using that. Alright, so I really need you guys to do more damage. This is what we're going to do. We're going to cave in. Bonk. So eventually my penumbra is going to croak, and that is going to help out a lot. That's going to have to do. Let's see, we can do one of these. We can do one of these. We can... That's all we can do. Yes, no morsels this game. Or this run. This match. Fight. Wave. I don't know. Actually, I guess we can do one. Right here. Still gonna make it to the last shot of the pie. Dang and dog. Alright, let's draw. Good draw. Bop them. Get a little rage going. Rage. Health. Another bop. We can get lifesteal on this guy, I think. That's gonna have to be that. That would have been cool. Fuck. So, yeah. I really shouldn't have taken trample. That's twice today I've said that exact thing. But I like trample. Yeah, but trample doesn't like this this setup very much. Alright. Still very low fire damage. We got thorn fruit. Yay! Oh, actually, add a spell to your hand every turn is really good. Especially since I have damage shield, so I can start chipping away at that front line. Draw a unit, apply 5x attack and minus X ember. Yes, I think so. Pyrogrow, yes. Now that I'm building X spells a little bit, Pyrogrow makes a lot of sense. I want artifacts. This is great for removing that shield, damage shield. Artifacts, 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 artifacts. This is counterproductive. That's basically one extra turn. I want to see what else we've got. Ugh. This might work really well with the, what's it? Obviously the Rattle Spike. But if I can get Prism Retrieval in the starting hand with the 7 extra Ember, that's going to really give me a super duper unit, which would be cool. I did not get a super duper unit. They're both going to die from this, and he's not even going to get a stack. Ugh. Bonk. You know what I can do? Oh, he's going to be dazed. Still. I'm gonna hold off for just a second on packing any of these completely full, because I still want to try the thing where I recur my penumbra and get value from that. Oh, dang. Jeez. I literally just said I wasn't going to do that. I'm a goof. That's okay. I'm going to draw that thing that gives me capacity. Just you watch. And if you're watching, please subscribe. Yeah, see? I said it. I said I would. Oh, what's this? That's Harvest. That's fine. Little bit on that guy. Let's get some more boosts for him. Nope, I don't want to heal my Penumbra. I want my Penumbra to bite it. That's pretty cute. I'm gonna hold on to him for a second, though. Yep. Hatsu. Cool. Alright, so he is taking -6. He's gradually getting there. So close. Oh well. Hey, that's good. That's finally what we want. Whew. Take my beats. Got my penumbra back. Excellent. Let's do this. Oh, I forgot about the days. Why is there always something? Something for me to forget about. I wonder if Spoder Sam, that top guy, if he does he like really carefully and cautiously plan out his run, and that's why he's good, or is it just like intuitive? Like, has he just played 100 hours of this game, or 100,000 hours of this game? Because I have over 100 at this point, and he just feels it out. My guess is some combination of those things. Is this guy gonna take me out? It's not impossible. It's impossible! I wish. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I think I need... I think I need a better set of mutators. I'm done for. Can I do this again? Let's try this again. Second attempt here on second breakfast. We're not giving up that easily. Let's go. Okay, so what was the problem before? I put down a unit when I said I wasn't going to. So I'm not going to do that this time. What I am going to do, I'm going to do this first turn basically the same. And I think I do... No, you know what? I'm gonna wait. Just playing it cool. Playing it off legit. Okay. I can't believe how detrimental this want to cure light wounds has been to this run. Like, this should be way simpler to do what I'm trying to do than it has been. And yet, just look at it. Look at the mess. That's gonna have to do. Okay, so he should go down eventually. He should go down this turn. I can set him up here and get the capacity. That's all I want. If only I was as dedicated to winning as I was dedicated to increasing my capacity. I probably would have won. But I've won 100,000 times before. I've only increased capacity occasionally. 100,000 times. Yeah, right. Okay, yep. This is what we're doing. Maybe one of these for good measure. I don't know. One of these? What's good? Okay. Rally? Are you kidding me? I didn't want that. Just do what I want. I can do it up here. I think that's going to be less impactful, though. Fine. Rally shouldn't affect morsels. Wah! There we go. Okay. This is going to have to do. I am not restarting this over again if I lose this time. I suppose... What's my aim here? I guess... I'm gonna do it like this. And then maybe I'll get the thing that lets me descend units and can overstuff this room. I did not. Yep, this is not going to be a victory. Rough stuff. Gruff bluff. Big Ben jacket stand. This run sucked. Oh, are you kidding me with this? I wanted that last turn. Ooh, got him. It's money. This has just been an absolute train wreck. Bap, 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 bop. Ugh. Alright. Well. Tomorrow we'll see better mutators, because there is just no way it could have been any worse than that. So many people tried. Look at that. People did even worse. How did they? I guess they died on the first run and didn't take the whatever the challenge. What's this do? Oh, it goes to me. And some people did okay. I guess they've got more practice. Let's raid Spoder Sam's Twitch. How do we do that? Let's see. Now we're gonna skip that for now. Thanks for joining me for second breakfast here. Bit of an embarrassment of a monster train run, but I hope you had fun. I had fun, so good times were had. Anyway, I appreciate you. Have a great day.